In the world of job hunting, your resume is your introduction. It's your chance to make a memorable first impression before you even meet a professional connection. It's the first thing a hiring manager sees, and it sets the tone for your entire application. A professional resume is important. It reflects your attention to detail and your commitment to presenting yourself in the best possible light. It helps you make a good first impression, which can be crucial in a competitive job market. Think of your resume as a marketing tool. It's not just a list of your past jobs. It's a showcase of your skills, achievements, and potential. It presents your skills and experience, highlighting what makes you unique and valuable to a potential employer. A well-crafted resume can help you stand out from other applicants. It can be the difference between getting an interview and being overlooked. It grabs the attention of hiring managers, making them want to learn more about you. A poorly written resume can hurt your chances. It can make you seem unprofessional or careless. Typos, errors, and a confusing format can be off-putting. They can distract from your qualifications and make a bad impression. Make sure your resume is clear, concise, and easy to read. Use a clean layout and highlight your most relevant experiences. Take the time to create a professional resume. It's worth the effort to ensure it accurately represents you and your capabilities. It's an investment in your future career success. A strong resume can open doors and set you on the path to achieving your career goals. A strong resume includes key sections that are essential for showcasing your qualifications and making a great first impression. These sections provide a clear picture of your qualifications, experience, and skills, helping professional organizations understand your background. Here's what every resume needs to stand out in a competitive job market. 1 contact information. Include your full name, phone number, and email address. This is the first thing recruiters will look for. Make sure this information is up to date and accurate. Any errors here can cost you an opportunity. 2. Summary or objective. Write a concise overview of your skills and career goals. This section should grab the organization's attention. Tailor this section to each job you apply for, highlighting the most relevant aspects of your experience. 3. Work experience. List your previous jobs in reverse chronological order, starting with the most recent position. Include your job title, the company name, and the dates of employment. This helps employers track your career progression. Use strong action verbs to describe your responsibilities and accomplishments. This makes your experience sound more dynamic and impactful. 4. Education. List your educational background, including degrees, certifications, and relevant coursework. This shows your academic qualifications. The 5 skills. Highlight your technical and soft skills. These are crucial for demonstrating your capabilities. These are the abilities and traits that make you a valuable team member, setting you apart from other candidates. Your resume summary is your elevator pitch. It's a brief statement that highlights your key qualifications. Use strong action verbs and tailor it to each job description. For example, motivated IT graduate with expertise in software development, seeking an entry-level position in a fast-paced tech company. Formatting is crucial for a professional look. use a clean and simple font. Choose a font size that is easy to read. Stick to a consistent format throughout your resume. Use bullet points to make your experience and skills stand out. A well-formatted resume is easy on the eyes. It allows hiring managers to quickly find the information they need. Now it's time to showcase your skills and achievements. Don't just list your skills, showcase them. Provide specific examples of how you've used your skills to achieve results. Use quantifiable data whenever possible. For example, instead of saying improved customer satisfaction, say increased customer satisfaction ratings by 15% by implementing a new customer service training program. Numbers and data points grab attention. They provide evidence of your abilities and accomplishments. Here's another example. Instead of writing managed social media accounts, say grew social media following by 20% and increased engagement rates by 10% through strategic content creation and community management. Now, it's time to take action. Creating a professional resume doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right tools and resources, you can craft a resume that stands out to hiring organizations. There are plenty of free resources available online. Websites like Canva and Google Docs offer a variety of templates that are both professional and easy to use. Canva and Google Docs offer templates that you can customize to fit your needs. These platforms provide user-friendly interfaces that make the process simple and efficient. Canva provides a user-friendly platform with a wide selection of visually appealing resume templates. You can easily drag and drop elements to create a polished and professional resume. Google Docs offers free resume templates that are simple to use and edit. You can quickly make changes and updates as needed, ensuring your resume is always up to date. Remember, your resume is a work in progress. It's important to continuously update it as you gain new skills and experience. This will help you stay competitive in the job market. Continuously update it as you gain new skills and experience. Regularly revisiting your resume ensures that it accurately reflects your current abilities and achievements. Take the first step today. Start by gathering all your relevant information and begin drafting your resume. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll have a standout resume that truly represents you. Start building a resume that showcases your unique talents and helps you land your dream job. With dedication and the right resources, you can create a resume that opens doors to new opportunities. Please like and share this video, and subscribe to Empower Africa Academy for more educational content.